Um, Spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am the child so young, so thin, and so rough. Why are you staring at me? With my eyes I can't see, but I know that you are all staring at me. Why are you whispering to one another? Why? Do you know me, mother? Do you know me, father? Do you know me 5 years ago? Yes, 5 years of bitterness have passed. I can still remember the last happiness mother and I shared. We were very happy indeed. Suddenly, five loud knocks were heard on the door. Did the cruel Nippon discover our peaceful home? Mother ran to father's side, pleading. Please, Louis, hide in the cellar. There is a cellar where they cannot find you. I pulled my father's arm, but he did not move. It seemed though his feet were glued to the floor. The door went bang, and before us, 5 ugly beasts came burning in. Are you Captain Luis Santos? Roared the ugliest said. Yes, said my father. You are under arrest, said one of the beasts. They pulled Father roughly away from us. Father was not given a chance to bid us goodbye. We followed them mile after mile. We were hungry and thirsty. We saw a group of Japanese eating. Oh, how our mouths watered seeing the delicious fruit they were eating. We heard a voice call, Consuelo, Oscar, Consuelo, Oscar, Consuelo, Oscar. We ran toward the direction of the voice, but it was too late. We saw Father lying on a tree, dead. Oh, it was terrible. He had been badly beaten before he died. And they cried, vengeance, vengeance, vengeance. Everything went black. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my poor invalid mother. One day, the church bell ringing. Ding, dong, ding, dong. It was a sign for us to find shelter in our hideout. But I could not read my invalid mother. I tried to show her the way to the hideout. Suddenly, bombs started falling, irping, roaring overhead. Cannons firing from everywhere. Boom, 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 boom. Mother was hit. Her legs were shattered into pieces. I took her gently in my arms and I cried and I cried out vengeance. No, Oscar. Vengeance is not ours. It's God, said mother. But I cried out vengeance. I was like a pent-up volcano. Vengeance is mine, not the Lord. No, Oscar. Vengeance, not ours. It's God. These were the words
my mother
said before she died.
Mother was dead and I was blind.
Father was dead and I was blind. Vengeance, not ours. For which is divine, but vengeance is bitter. That was 5 years ago. 5 years. Spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am a child so young, so thin, and so rough. Vengeance is not ours. God. It's God.